Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix skins and emotes not showing up in the Fortnite item shop. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do is to restart the Fortnite. So this is the first and the simplest step, so which is to restart the game. So sometimes a quick restart can resolve temporary glitches or bugs that may be causing the item shop to not display skins and emotes properly. So if you want to know, or if you do not know how to restart your Fortnite, so you can just follow the steps right here depending on the device that you are using or console that you are using. So for the PC, for Windows or Mac, you just need to follow the steps right here, and then for the PlayStation, follow the steps, and for Xbox, follow the steps. So you can just pause this video and do that, and then let's get on with the next step or next fix, which is to check your internet connection. So ensure that your internet connection is stable, because a poor or unstable connection can prevent the item shop from loading correctly. So just test your internet connection by visiting other websites or playing other online games to see if they work properly, and restart your router by unplugging it for 60 seconds and then plugging it back in. And if you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or using a wired Ethernet connection if possible. And then next, what you can do is to update Fortnite. So check for any available updates for Fortnite. So running an outdated version of the game could lead to various issues, including problems with the item shop. So again, just follow the steps depending on your console or device that you are using. So for PC, for Windows or Mac, just follow the steps right here. And for PlayStation, follow the steps. And for Xbox, follow the steps. Again, you can always pause this video and follow it at your own pace or time. And then lastly, what you can do is to verify the integrity of the game file. So verify game files of the Fortnite. So this is for PC users only. So if you're playing on a PC, you can verify the integrity of the game files through the Epic Games Launcher. So this will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them if necessary. And to do that, just open your Epic Games Launcher and then go to the library. Just find the Fortnite in there and click onto the three dots next to it, and simply select verify and wait for the process to complete. And once done, just launch Fortnite and check the item shop. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.